Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change the WebP image to a PNG or JPEG file that you want. So for example, in this image, if you would like to save this image, then here you can see it is in WebP file. Then what you need to do is click on the three dot option from the Chrome, then you have to click on the extension from here, then you have to click on the visit Chrome Web Store, then you have to search for the save image type as type. Then here you have to click on the add to Chrome, and then you have to click add extension. Then you have to wait for a couple of seconds to get it added, and then you have to make sure the extension is pinned to your taskbar. Then what you need to do is refresh the page again and then click on that same file. Then here you have to right click on it. Then here you will get the option of save image as type as JPG PNG. So you can easily choose the JPG file, and then you can easily save the button from here, and it will save in the JPEG file. Here you can see. So that's how you can transfer the WebP file to JPG or PNG file. Thank you very much for watching this video.